Okay, so here we are. We're moving forward with getting more of this transom core material cut. This is the template for the two bottom corners beneath the strong back. It's close enough for both sides, so we went ahead and positioned it to where we get minimal waste. We do have these little pieces that we're gonna have to put in there to make up, just so we don't have to go into a new sheet of kusa for this. But these are in areas what's gonna be heavily filleted and tabbed anyway, so I'm not concerned about it. This is right on the edge of the transom. And here's the next one. Gonna go just like this, just like that. So this whole area right here is gonna be used for minimal waste. All right, time to get this cut. Okay. Whoa, adjust, adjust, adjust. Adjust, okay, good. I got my Kusa scored. I just followed these straight edges. Each one has 2 straight edges. And just did it 1.5 inches. And that's how it came out. Scored a good ways through, 2/3 ish, 3/4 ish through. It got it some nice flex to it now. Definitely enough to, you know, make that bend down there in the transom. So, gonna go give it a dry fit. Okay, come. What are we doing? This piece is this side. This piece is for this side. Ready? Yep. Oh, no, you're stripping it. You stripped it. Okay, ready? It's about half, eh? So yeah, we use half of that. Okay. Don't mix it too hard. Last time it didn't work, I didn't know enough. So slippery and a grip. Yeah. That's enough for that. I look like I could have been a little caboodle richer. Yeah, probably. Nice. Scoot up. So that was Okay, good. Got plenty stuff coming through my holes too. Good. Yeah. Good. That didn't strip. That pulled good. Okay. So they put a screw in another hole. Pulled too, or it pulled. I can put all of this excess in now. Alrighty, we got what you call it, wings? I guess we'll call it wings. We got our wings in. Got all these seams nice and filled with resin, thickened resin all the way around. Both sides. It's quite messy, but I'll have to do some cleanup. A little bit of cleanup. Whoops, how did that get there? What? Got a big old glob right there.